Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete a journal on day 1 journal app. Now if you want to delete the journal or the unwanted journal which is on a day 1 journal app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the day 1 journal app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, then you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after installing the app, you just need to open the day 1 journal app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after logging in, this is the home page of the day 1 journal app where you'll see the various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now to delete the journals, you just need to click on the option of profile icon which is at the very top right. So click on the option of profile icons, and under profile icon you will see various options like your account information, the option of sync, the option of last sync, and here you will see the option of journals which is at the very center of the page. Now here you will see the option of selecting syncs, journals, and your new personal journals and all of it. So click on the option of journals. So click on the 3 straight lines next to the journals, and here you will see the option of delete journal right here. So click on the option of delete journals, and it says are you sure you want to delete the journal, and it says all the entry associated with it, all it will be deleted. So click on the option of delete journal, and from here if you go back to your home page, then as you can see the journal, all of the journal has been deleted. And by clicking on the option of journals from the settings, you may also select the specific journals, and you may select on the option of delete to delete the specific journals like that. So that's it. That's how you can delete a journal in day 1 journal app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.